Last time we link up.
It's the start of lobster season in Jamaica. They have fresh fish, they have lobster, they have all sorts of things down here at Screeches. I know the escovitch sauce here is boss. This is the fried lobster from Screeches. Escovitch sauce smothered on top, scotch bonnet pepper, onions, and pimento in there as well. Undoubtedly, one of the most popular places on Hellshire Beach is Aunt May's. People come from all over the world, not just the island, to come and sample her food. It's cooked on a wood fire, so that's totally different flavor profile than what you would get on a gas fire or a gas stove. This is some place that's iconic on the beach here. It's a place that people, as I said, come wide and far to come and try the lobster, the fish, all sorts of different things that she have going on in the kitchen. Right on the chopping board. Yo, the man make that look easy. It's not so easy as it look, you know. It really not so easy as it look. Learn something new, so it really does crack the top. Never even have to cut through the hard part. It really does crack it and then let it flood open. And now we're going out with some of the insides, cleaning it out. And then soak it back now. What that now?
No man, I wash it and I wash it.
Just a wash off.
That's about the first wash, the next wash, real wash.
Just meticulously picking out all of the inside, make sure so everything in there clean, and then it's two wash process. That's first wash himself, and then it going to get another wash. That's just water or salt. What kind of water?
It's just the water.
Just the water itself. Bami ready now, just come out, let it rest, let some of that oil seep off. So once it comes out of that pot, after that heat and bath in that oil, it goes right here to sit, and once it sits there now, they let the oil drain off a little bit, and then it's plated and served right after that. Don't forget about my goldfish. Yeah man. Same treatment, just different water for it.
Hello? Repeat.
Basically slicing it, putting it right down to the bone, so when him season it, that seasoning reach right down into the bone right there. And this is the seasoning mix now. This is the Aunt May's famous seasoning mix. And bathe it, smother it all over, make sure it gets into the grooves, into that slice. And then straight over there after that. Right into that bath. How another seasoning there?
Black pepper, salt, look like seawater.
The whole of Hellshire in there. The black pepper, salt, little sea water, little sea sand. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You want, what you say, if they want one, then just have to forward and try.
No joke.
And just check that oil by throwing water off from that.
No man, seriously,
Load it off, going in just like that, no seasoning, no nothing.
Season already, man.
Season already?
Yeah,
I miss the seasoning on that.
Yeah, man.
Same seasoning on the fish, go on the lobster. There you have it. You have to stay back because it's going to pop. There's actual water that's in the lobster, so all of that has to come out. So what happens? Once you hear the fire start to die down with the sizzle, you just flip it.
There's a timing in it, you know.
But that timing in your head?
Timing. More your timing, a little bit shy and more a little bit too. You know? Yeah.
Over there. Yeah, man. There's nothing like that sound once you go in there and pop and that smell that come off of it. Hear that pop there. Once that pop goes in there, man, and you hear that sound and that start to go. And the smell that come off of it, is nothing but freshness after that. You smell that fresh lobster creeping up. I have no scent of seasoning that's coming up, no smell of that. It's just good lobster that you're smelling. Just some of the garlic sauce gone onto the fire now. Stir up just a quick heat on that garlic sauce. And this is what we call the money shot, smother on. Wow, the smell is just intense garlic. It smells so good. It's like a garlic bomb just bursting in your nose when you pour it out and heat it up just that little bit. Just waiting and smothering it all over that. Make sure the flavor touches every part of the lobster meat. That quick fry goes in there and then the garlic sauce on top of it. Wow, oh my God. Yeah, man.
Now you see it.
Now you see it.
Now you don't.
Eh? It's almost like basting it with that oil. I tell you that oil, people tell me all the time, it's the oil, get the food and see, pop. Yeah, man. And just like basting that oil back onto it so it fry on the inside, fry on the outside, fry upside down, fry with it on it back. Continue just putting that oil, like basting that lobster meat. So me and Keisha from Aunt May is sitting down and we're about for a whole reason, and she's going to tell us about this restaurant that I think she says has been here for over 45 years. Keisha, how you doing?
Not bad.
Tell me about your restaurant now. Tell me about Aunt May's.
My mom was here for like 45 years.
Yeah.
But you know, she passed 2 years ago. So me and my brother take it over from that point until now.
Yeah,
okay?
and you know, still continue the legacy,
Right.
still continue
Yeah.
the tradition.
And from I leave school, I'm out here with her.
How long?
I leave school 2001.
So it's still the lobster. What's the
With
most
the
popular
lobster,
thing? Yeah.
fish, steamed fish, roast fish, brown stew fry, with the garlic crab, shrimp, curry shrimp. We work like Monday, every other Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah, man.
And you can call in for your order at 438
There we go.
9896 or
438, go again for me.
438 9896 or 880-0499.
And on Instagram, anything like that?
Aunt May Fish Place on Instagram.
Aunt May Fish Place on
Yeah.
Instagram.
And we have a location in Florida, in
What?
Broward.
In Broward?
Yeah.
You have a location in our Broward?
Yeah, my sister do it up
Tell
there.
your sister me I come check her next week.
Okay,
Dead
I'll
serious.
tell her.
I'm dead serious.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
Thanks, Keisha.
Okay.
Wow.
You good?
Yeah, man. Wha Gwann, Misha.
Hi, hello.
So we have to tell everybody how we met. We literally just walk in.
I saw him and I was eating my fish in my festival, all in my head, and I said, this is the food blogger. And I just had to stop him and let him know that I love his YouTube channel. I watch it all
Thank
the
you.
time, and it was meant to be to see each other.
Thank you. So we have to sit down and eat a fish. After that, just a random experience out here in Hellshire. You know, so we have to take up and sample a fish with Misha and see what go on. Misha, dig in with your hand. Let's take one of these. This is a goat fish.
This is the fresh
This is
fish.
fresh goat fish. We could just take one and see what go on. You can even hold it up and show them.
We're
Say
gonna hold it
fresh.
and show
Yeah,
them.
man, we'll hold
It
it
don't
up
get
and show
fresher
them.
than this.
Nice goat fish. You ever had a goat fish?
Goat?
Yeah, fish.
No.
You had curry goat?
No.
You never have curry goat?
Once.
No, man, we forgot to
I'm a
talk
yellowtail girl, but I'm gonna give the goat fish a day
Yellow,
today.
where you live in the States?
Miami.
That's why you're a yellowtail girl, man. It's alright. Alright. Well, I'll give the goat fish a try.
Okay. But we can't do the goat fish without the pepper sauce.
No,
We can't. Heavy on the pepper sauce.
heavy upon the pepper sauce. Yeah, man.
Alright, you're gonna go ahead and put it on there.
So you need with the yellowtail of Miami too?
Oh yeah, for sure. But I go to all places and just grab the pepper sauce back.
Just grab it and go on through. Yeah, man. Have to smother it all over. Whole heap of scotch bonnet, whole heap of sauce on it.
I didn't want to take her in the sun.
Scotch bonnet.
Yeah, man.
The whole thing.
You're bad, no?
Bad guy.
You know, me not try that.
Spicy guy.
I'm not going to try that. Why, I can't make
do
it
it all
out.
the
I
time.
can't
You
make
do
it
it all
out.
the time.
You know, bad. Nice flavor.
Favorite. Very
Yeah,
good.
man. Come on, go in on the fish now. Make it soak a little. Make it go down in there. You gone in the fish before me?
I love fishing.
You love fishing?
Yeah.
I love catching, not fishing.
I love catching
I do
fish.
love fishing though. I'm going to try the goat fish now.
It's
What do
very
you think
good.
about it?
It's very tender.
Very tender and it's almost like there's juice in the meat. It's flaky still. It's not like a yellowtail where the snapper is a little drier, a little more flaky than this.
It's very moist inside.
But this is moist. Yeah, man.
fried to perfection.
This is the first time I eating at Miss May's on camera, and I can tell you, the chef did a hell of a job.
Great job.
Yeah.
Chef did a great
The
job.
seasoning is perfect. I mean, the salt and pepper that's on that seasoning that we saw going there. But we have to pair it up with some of the onion and the scotch bonnet now.
The onions.
The onion, this is, just like in Florida, this is Spanish influence in Jamaica. So escovitch comes from escoviche. which was from when 1494 when Columbus came to Jamaica. It's no longer Spanish, I feel we know, we capture that.
And what I like about the sauce, the pepper sauce, it gets better and better with time.
Every time.
It gets better with time.
Once it's soaked, man,
Soak
it
up
just
that age.
Yeah, once you put it down and let it soak, like anything, fine wine.
Fine wine.
I'm going to hold up 2 pieces of fish. That's how you tell a fish is perfectly cooked. When it comes off of the bone like that and there's just bone left, whether it's steamed, whether it's fried, from it easily comes off of the bone like that. That's a well-cooked fish, a perfectly cooked fish.
Fresh.
Fresh fish. Bite it here. And then the crunch.
You crunch on the tail too?
Yeah, man, I have everything except that. Nice to come back down there at me. Big up Misha for stopping by, having some of this fish with us, but we know how the flavors say, how everything's set. They said, you try goldfish again?
This is the best fish I had.
See that?
The best fish.
I'm done. Lock off the camera. I'm done. It's done.
You guys come out.
It's done.
I can sit here all day.
Just keep the fish coming, Mr. Chef.
Keep the fish cooking.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was a
This was such
pleasure.
a pleasure.
Your pineapple logo, love it.
Yes. The Re-Up Miami. Got a food truck in Miami. Please come out and see us. We have just American soul food. It is lamb chops, lobster tails. We have fresh conch fritters. We have conch salad. We have
You call my name right.
salmon. You gotta come out and try it.
No, sir, nothing.
It's so great.
Yeah, man. Thank you again.
See this?
Jano, shall put me hold on, I have to come in at this quick.
You gotta catch up.
Down the bone, crunch it up. Almost here. Well, before I kill myself, I catch up and eat fish bone. Thank you again, Misha.
Thank you so much.
Look forward
It was a
to seeing you
pleasure.
at the food truck.
Thank you. I can't wait.
Respect, man.
Hey,
Hey,
Matt.
I'm sorry, what's your name?
Amanda Robinson.
That's right.
Look at this.
All right.
Wow.
So this is what we're actually here for. It's leaking and oozing. You see that drip, drip? You gotta get your hands
All right,
dirty.
can we start now?
No, let's show the camera. You have to show them. We don't do no beauties or no little shake with it or get a little tick. Yeah, hold it out. All right, so this is garlic lobster. You are not the biggest lobster fan.
I'm not, but this looks so good when it was coming out with all the seasoning. You can just see the chopped up, you can see the garlic, and it smells too good to resist. So I have to put up my hair for it.
Okay, lady food boss. Go ahead. You using a fork? I'm not going to use any fork. I just going to rip it off. I mean, we just came from Screeches where there's no, look at that.
Wow.
Oh, that's the money right there.
All right, show me how to do it.
So basically you twist, right? And pull up so you get that part out there. Ah, there you go. And then you have to get under after. Get under after so that it just pulls right off.
Okay, so away from the shell, I'm
Yeah.
sticking my finger in and just pulling it out. Wow.
After that, you're left with this. This is the money shot right there. So this is the lobster. That's the garlic sauce that's all on it, Mandy. You have to wait to eat. You have to show them what the garlic sauce that's on it. You smell the garlic. You smell how potent it is.
So good.
Yeah, it smells like a garlic. I don't taste it yet, alright. Yo, I thought Escovitch was good, but wow. The garlic.
The sweetness of the festival and that salty garlic of the lobster,
Savory and sweet.
the combination is beautiful.
Yeah, man, it just go perfect.
So good.
And it's so cooked, it cooks so perfect. And you always hear me talk about the flavor pockets. Those little dark spots, that's the bomb right there. That's where all that flavor comes from. When that pop, oh man. The seasoning that's on it is absolutely perfect. The garlic sauce, there's something just ridiculously stupendous and amazing about this garlic sauce. I see why people come here, travel here from Miami, travel here from all over to basically taste this garlic sauce. I thought I was going hard with the escovitch sauce with that pepper, but I might have to go balance up and order some more garlic now.
It's so good.
Hold on then. You done for your lobster?
Almost.
I'm going in a festival.
While you were talking.
Yeah, so all who feel and I get no bad. Garlic, onion, a little scallion in there. I'm not get the rest of them thing, but I'm sure I can't decipher exactly what is in there, but I can tell you that it's very flavorful.
Oh my.
That's the way you do it. That's how you get it done.
Look at that, that's gorgeous.
That's a proud husband right here.
The seasoning is even just falling off. It's so packed on there's so much flavor. It's just...
It really up to the... Remember I'm talking to the mic right here. Right here. She took our mic off.
I'm coming, baby. I want a festival.
A festival with it.
The sweet with the savory. Fabulous.
I don't even know if that was right, and I just pulled that one out my hat. But she not off on me now. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Look how gorgeous that is. That's perfect. And on the other side,
That color. Beautiful.
color. Tell you, she not give me none.
What is it?
None?
It's like I'm eating and then I'm tasting the freshness of the lobster and then all of a sudden I get this burst of flavor because all the seasoning is at the top. So it's a mix of fresh and it's so good.
And for me, it's like when you're sitting at the table and you're eating and the puppy just looking at you waiting to get some of the scraps. I'm that puppy now. It's all good. Go on. Enjoy.
I thought you told me you didn't want it.
I didn't. I said we could share. It's alright. Go on. I'll
The
eat
last
some of the fish.
lobster.
I'll eat some of the fish. But it's the
That's
start
why
of
I know he
lobster
loves me.
season. It's the start of lobster season, so there'll be many more to come. You wouldn't think of garlic sauce going on to a fried lobster. You more hear about that going on to a grilled lobster when you smother that over the grill. Have that butter and that garlic infused into it. But with the fried lobster, it's absolutely perfect. The lobster becomes firm and it goes down into the crevices of the lobster, into that meat and soaks. And just is a sweet flavor that you can't miss. And that's something that you always hear for Hellshire. You always hear around the place that Hellshire is known for fried lobster. But it's not just escovitch lobster, it's garlic lobster as well. Cheers, bro.